We are back. I'm going to be putting a little bit of lip balm on. We're going to be meeting up with my friend Awet. I'm actually surprising him. I'm wearing his sweatsuit collection. Bobbi Brown's Skin Longwear Weightless. We are going to put a little bit of this on the top of my forehead. Me doing makeup to go meet up with my friends is very chill, very relaxed, easy. Just in real life, I don't wear that much makeup, if I'm honest with you. I wear a little bit, but I don't wear a lot. I think one of the things that is really important is to always do it in really good light, like even light. Otherwise, you end up maybe wearing a little bit more than you wanted to. Maybe the color of the foundation is off. This is by Charlotte Tilbury. It's this really cool bronzer. It's quite deep, so I just take a little bit of it and just start on the edge of my face. This is the Revlon Color Stay Skin Awaken Concealer. I love using my hands for makeup. It's one of the best ways to get everything to look super seamless, especially if you don't feel like you need a lot of coverage. I'm gonna take a Benefit brow pencil. I'm gonna comb these babies up. I'm gonna fill in the eyebrow, a little bit here in the front and then at the end. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of brow product. This is Makeup Forever's Brow Fixer. I've been doing brow lamination, straightens your eyebrow hair up. When you redo it, brow hair becomes like super flimsy. I found that now I'm using a lot more of a brow gel. A little bit of eyeliner, and I'm going to take this long cone liner, give myself a little bit more of an edge here. See that? Like it kind of like makes the eye look a little bit more defined, which I like. I don't bring it all the way in. And then I'm gonna take the liner here, and I'm just gonna add a little wing. It looks so cool, right? It's a little edgy. This is by Revlon. This is the So Fierce. It's by this company called Ket Cosmetics, and it's their translucent powder. I'm gonna show you something really quick. This is the reason why I like this. Check this out. You just put a little bit of this powder on, and it's like, all the shine is gone. Matte light crayon. I'm gonna take Sky High, and we're gonna put her in the middle. Oh, a bold lip. I like this. This is the look. We're finished. This is my version of basic. Okay, maybe it's a lot. But we're gonna go meet my friend Awet. I hope he gets surprised that I'm wearing. We'll see. Okay, let's go.